Here we go with these wings. First thing I want to do, got me a good pair of kitchen shears. A good cook, is that me? Yeah. But we're gonna trim them up, clean them up. You know, you can do this with a knife. I find it a lot easier with the shears. Cut the, the flap off. I don't even know what it's called right now. Cut that off. And we cut them straight in half. Separate the wing from the drumette. Clean it up a little bit. We're ready to go. Good wing. These lemon pepper gonna come out good, y'all. Just stay tuned and just watch what I do. Little slap off. Just clean them up, make them look nice. Now I got them all trimmed up. I cut them all in half, cut the wings, made them look a little better. Like it's a grill master. That's right. Make sure everything sticks to them. Hit them with a little salt. Try to get that a little bit everywhere. With this, you can make the lemon pepper wings however you like to make it. This is how I make them on the grill. I'll be a little heavy with them. Over here. We'll get them all flipped over. Come with my spray again. You can use some regular olive oil, but like I said, this is what I use. Me, I like to keep it simple. I ain't gonna come out here with a whole bunch of lemon. We just trying to barbecue, we trying to eat good. With that salt. Whoa. That's what I wanted though. Not heavy on it. Good enough. We'll let this sit here while we get the recteq 340 fired up. Get her going. Yep, I'm out here at the old recteq. Those that don't know, it's real easy to fire up. You just hit that power button. It got the Wi-Fi, but I ain't got it hooked up right now. I used it before when I did a brisket. The thing comes in handy. I think I'm gonna go at 425. So when she get up to temp, we're gonna let her go. Using hickory pellets. Competition blend. We're gonna see how she do. Stay tuned. Just want to show y'all, we did this about 10 minutes ago. We already there. She jump up a little bit, but she'll go back down. Just keep that smoke going and everything. Be some good lemon pepper wing ding. Good for your football Sunday. That's right. I already had cleaned the grates off camera, but when I clean the grates, they need to be ordering out or something. Again, with the grill master, try to help them not stick. Now we're just gonna go ahead and throw them on here. Hear that sizzle. She's nice and hot. Oh, and I lied in the beginning. I had said 425. I turned it back down to 400. You can go 400. After the first 30 minutes, come out here, check them, see how they looking, give them a good flip. A lot of people ask me if this recteq is a good size for you know, cooking. You see what I got going on here. But I don't have a big family. But we running out of space. Probably gonna have to move some things around, put them all on here. We'll get them all on here. See, after that I got like 3 more. Come down here with them. Bang. Hit them at an angle. We profiling this chicken out here. There it is. Got them ready to go. You're supposed to be keeping guard, making sure nothing comes steal the meat. Look at him. Bear. Thought you liked chicken. Alright. You don't like chicken? Alright then. Alright. We 30 minutes in. That's why I want to come out here. You know, give them a nice little flip with it. On a nice color can. Just give them a flip. Keep my tongue. I'm gonna shrunk up a little bit more space on the grill. Probably easier with your hands to do this. Gonna let these go for about 25-30 minutes. Took on a little bit more heat. Hey, it's still good. Let's go. So here I go. We back out here. I think they about done. Got my board back out, clean it off. I don't want y'all to be tripping on me. Oh Lord. Yeah, we're gonna pull these off. Go ahead and let them rest for a little while. I'm holding the camera this time. That one nice and crispy. Whoa. See how they shrunk up though? I had no space in the beginning. I think this skin's gonna be nice and crispy when I bite into it. That's how we doing it on HauseBBQ. The recteq just makes everything real easy. This is I like to keep it simple. This is a real simple lemon pepper wing ding barbecue wings, or whatever you want to call them. Lemon pepper wings. Let's call these Hause lemon peppers. HauseBBQ, baby. Share this video. Just look at those. Whew, my God. I had to pick this one up. Let's listen to it. Nice and crisp. A little smoke in there. We did a high smoke. About an hour 10, hour 20. See, real good.